Hi, I'm Shiva. I'm trying something new today. Fried avocado kofta. So these are the ingredients we need. So it takes like nearly 10 minutes, 20 minutes time. So the preparation, the details are here. First, I took the three avocados and the carrot, and I cut that like onion, carrot, and avocados, and grated coconut carrot. I fried for a few minutes, for 1 minute, and I mixed all of them on a bigger plate. Added grated like garlic, ginger paste, and coriander leaves, green chilies, and all the like masalas I've given already on the list. Mixed well, and now it's cooking time. Just 10 more minutes. So there are 6 steps where I took breadcrumbs on a plate, and I started making this mixed one in a like ping pong ball size things, like you can choose a size. And I started frying this unheated pan, both sides, just to cook that. It was, yeah, this is a process which I am in. So it's a very delicious one. It takes like less than 15 minutes. So you can try this. So I'm just trying to fry that now on a heated pan. So this is what I made. And then the one comes. Who taste it? And let's see what she says. Yeah, she's saying it's delicious. Passed in exam. So thank you IAG for giving us this new unique opportunity.